Welcome to IRG Sports Injury Update. I'm with Shannon O'Kelly, physical therapist and president of IRG Physical and Hand Therapy, and our guest, Dr. Holli O'Kelly, physical therapist and clinic director at IRG Physical and Hand Therapy.
Holli, welcome. BFR, blood flow restriction. What is it?
So blood flow restriction is a type of treatment that we use in physical therapy where we use a cuff, like a tourniquet, on your limb to occlude venous return. So it allows a little bit of blood to go in the limb, but it prevents all the blood from coming out.
So you're using a tourniquet, you're restricting blood flow into this limb. Why?
So what we're trying to do is basically mimic the effects of training at a higher load. Traditionally in PT, there's a little bit of a discrepancy because let's say you have a surgery, there's a period of time where you can't really move your limb. Oftentimes you're non-weight bearing for many weeks and you get a lot of atrophy. So it takes a long time to get back to the point where you can train at 65 to 90% of your capacity, which is what you need to gain strength and build more muscle mass. So this basically allows you to get the same effect without the same amount of weight.
So you basically are enhancing and progressing rehab, the time to rehab, using BFR or this blood flow restriction. What about safety?
It's considered to be very safe. There's a few conditions that you want to be cautious with, like if you have a blood clotting disorder or if you're older and you have a lot of skin sensitivity, nerve sensitivity, or any kind of skin damage. But as long as your therapist is screening for those conditions, it's considered very safe.
Holli, thank you so much for your time. Great information. If you want more information regarding blood flow restriction and treatment, you can contact Holli at irgpt.com. That's irgpt.com.
With over 40 neighborhood clinics around Washington, IRG has you covered. Let IRG be your family's physical therapist. Find the location nearest you at irgpt.com. That's irgpt.com.